suddenly silent. I wasn't expecting this. Pointed rivet of madness pinning me here. When did I start to forget the shade of your eyes and the words that you said? This can't be happening. I'll wait here for you all my days.
Ya está.
Losing the memory of your face, the sound of your voice that once burned in me, like the story of abandoned garden for earthly priority. This can't be happening. Can't sleep or let go. I'll wait here for you. I'll stand in the rain. I will pray. I will stay. Wait here for you. Wait here for you all my days. Maybe all we need is time. Maybe you will change your mind. Maybe you seek and find me reflecting in you. Lover, lift the curtain. Enter my temple, my inner sanctum. Is this happening? We're here all alone. I'll wait here for you. I'll stand in the rain. I will pray. I will stay. Here for you. I'll take all the blame while you letter of shame. I'll wait here for you all my days. All my days. I'll wait here for you.